Alright guys, and welcome back to another trading session. I think this one here is my first actually live trading session. I'm doing this because I don't really have time for the trading recaps, because it's a lot of time I have to not waste, but to use, like trading and also like doing a recap video after this. And at the moment I don't really have this time, so today we're doing a trade recap. I think I'm not going to talk all the time, so sometimes it can be quiet for like 5 or 10 minutes. And normally I start my session at 9:30. As you can see, it's still before, so we have 9:18. So I'm going to, the session start is right here. And normally I think I'm stopping, like normally I stop the session at 10:30 or sometimes 11, like it depends. But now I'm already in a trade because I found a great setup, but I'm not really sure about it. And today I can finally show top step, because there's one thing, and the problem is to avoid over trading. I'm locking myself out from this app, so like outside of my trading hours, there's no chance to open top step. And now it's finally I can open top step. So as you can see, I have some sim accounts here, and I have 2 funded accounts here. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use them today. They're a little bit in drawdown, so at first I can show the history. I think the history is like almost the same for the funded accounts. Like it's quite bad. I would just want to be transparent. So you can see I had one good day in the beginning, and then I have losing day after another losing day because I made some mistakes. I think the main mistakes were I think I took like 1 NQ and I had a really tight daily loss limit. So sometimes I opened the trade, and after like 30 seconds the daily loss limit hits. So like you can see, you have the daily loss limit activated. And today I blocked NQ, so there's no chance to how can I say that, to use too big position. And I'm already in this trade. As you can see, I already lost a lot of money on this account. The reason was I already wrote this account off. Like this account was big in a negative number, and I was like, okay, it makes no sense to try hard on this account, which is generally I think stupid, because every account should be like treated well, because you can build really bad hard habits. But now it looks to be great again. But so what I'm planning to do today, I always do like a pre-session journaling session. So what I mean by that is I have my tablet open right now and I document some stuff. And what I do is I also calculate my risk, because I adapt my risk every day. And what I also do, I'm planning on how many trades I want to take and what kind of accounts I'm going to use. And what I do today is I use each funded account for 1 trade. Then I use 4 50k sims for 1 trade, so that I copy trade them. And then I have this 150k sim account here on Top Step, which I'm already using for 1 trade. And after this trade plays out, even if I lose or win, I don't care. I'm going to lock this account out. So I'm taking 4 trades today. And the reason why I took this trade was we had strong SMT here. I was already a bit bearish because London took out Asia high, and we had a clean manipulation pump. And and also I think I put the standard deviation here and re-hit -4. So what I do is I'm just adding to the manipulation leg. And but I'm not quite sure, because we have really strong SMT right now. So ES literally took already out this low here, and NQ is not going lower. So this might be, maybe the price will just go up, I don't know. But I don't want to over analyze, so I think I'm just staying in that trade. There's still a good chance that this can manipulate lower. But I think I'm going to talk less more, because I get like headache. I hope you can still hear me. I put the microphone a bit away. And yeah, I think I can quickly explain my bias for today. So normally I don't really like taking trades in the range. So my plans for today, I'm not quite sure today, to be honest. But what I want to do is either if we dump until this low here, what I think we're doing this right now. I want to look for longs down here, and if we pump up, I want to look for shorts. I'm not really confident with trading my funded accounts in the range, so that's also the reason why I took this trade here on a sim account. And yeah, so easy. I think I don't want to do a lot trading inside here. Maybe on some sim accounts, but I don't really confident with that because I already had really stupid losses in the last days. I don't really want to lose more. Let's see. I think actually this standard deviation here works a lot better. So what I do is I look for really strong manipulation points. For example here, because this was in London, 3 AM was here, and this manipulation was created by 4 AM the candle. And I'm looking for if it fits, and it actually works quite well. Like this -4 target here is fitting really good to this Asia low. And also, so what I do normally, this standard deviation has two zones I'm interested in. So at first, that's the -2 and -2.5 zone. I think we've already hit that zone a little bit, yeah. We touched it already. This is the first zone where you should look for reversals. So for example, if you have bullish bias for today, you should look for longs right here, and that's also why I'm interested for longs below this low, because it's perfectly in alignment. And this is the first zone, and the second zone is around the -4 levels, and also most of the time I'm looking for confluence. So what we have confluence here, for example, is this low here, and what we have in confluence here is the Asia low, and also we have the daily open here, which can also act as support. So yeah, I'm interested for longs in here, and later on I think I'm not going to record this, because if we ignore this level here, we go straight here. This can take 3 to 4 hours. So maybe I'm going for some setups again in the PM session. And yeah, but let's see if my take profit gets hit. We have the open in 3 minutes. Yeah, let's see what we get. I think I'm moving this one a bit more here. I think actually I'm moving this one a little bit more down, because I don't really want to close this trade too early. Yeah, I think I'm closing this one here out, and now I'm letting the other trade run. Because to be honest, this looks quite bearish, and it would be stupid to leave this trade. So I think I'm moving my take profit to this low here. I'm not sure if we get hit, but I'm moving this one close to break even, because if it just pulls up in the open, I still made some profits. I think, I'm not sure if Topstep has a limit. I think I'm not allowed to make more than 4,500. I think I'm just going to 500. Going to lock this. Don't want to make too much money, because I think you have a 50% consistency rule here. So yeah, let's see. But this looks quite bearish. Yeah, but I just want to be honest, I don't make that much money every day. You can see my 2 funded accounts, they are quite negative in the drawdown. Yeah, I'm a bit unsure, because normally this was actually the zone I wanted to long from, but actually I don't really want to ignore the fact that this chart looks quite bearish. So I think I do not touching any longs here. I'm waiting for, and also there's no really target. There's not a single target you can take. this move up here swept already all the liquidity here, and there's only like this higher was clear manipulation. We took out all this liquidity. So let's see if we get hit. And yeah, this looks quite great. Wow. Pretty good, to be honest. Let's watch out for SMT. I don't really want to miss this one here. Wow. Yeah. I think that's it. Crazy. Like, imagine this would... Yeah, I think I'm going to log out this account. I'm done on this account. Yeah, that's crazy. Like, imagine you're... I think my max risk here was like $500. So that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, but now I'm switching over to my final account. I want to see like if we can... Yeah, fuck. Yeah, we had a gap here. I forgot to mention that we had a small gap here and a strong pump from, I think we had a, what was it, FOMC meeting yesterday. So yeah, that's like, was like an A+ draw liquidity, but I never thought we hit this draw so early. Yeah, but let's wait. That's crazy candle, to be honest. Don't even know if there's any chance. Like, imagine you shot it from here with a funded account, because on this account here I'm limited. I'm only allowed to make like 4.5, but on a funded account you're like, you can just let this trade run. Don't even know if there's like any chance to find a setup here, because normally what I'm looking for, I think I forgot to explain my entry conditions on this setup here. What I was looking for, or like what I'm always looking for, is, so I want to open up a candle from here, and then I'm looking for expansion higher, but I know I'm going to short, and then I'm just looking for, yeah, fair value gap getting ignored, so we have an inversion fair value gap, and that was the case here. Like, we had here a little gap here, and price closed below, and this was my signal here to short. Stop loss above the high, and yeah, then easy. And then you can get like really great runners like this. Yeah, and that's it. Can be really easy, to be honest, but yeah. Let's see if we can get another trade. Yeah, I think I'm quitting this right here, to be honest. I'm waiting if I have a second trade. I think I'm just uploading a second video, because this will be too long. And yeah, see you guys.